Well, hey there, and welcome to the ultimate guide to financial freedom with real estate investing, where I'll show you how to become financially free in the next 1 to 3 years. This ultimate course is completely free. There's no strings attached, and right here on my channel for you. I'm going to go everything from finding and closing your first deal to raising money and scaling your business in this free course. Hey, my name is Michael Blank. I'm a full-time entrepreneur, investor, and coach. I am really passionate about helping others become financially free in 1 to 3 years by investing in real estate. Through my investment company, Nighthawk Equity, I control over $300 million of real estate. And more importantly, I've helped students acquire over 13,700 units at the time of this recording. So you might be wondering, Michael, this is great, but can you really be financially free with real estate in the next 23 years? Well, the answer is yes. So stick around to the end of this video because I am really looking forward to starting this journey with you to financial freedom. Let's do this. Now, Brad Tasha had done everything right. He went to school, got good grades, and then got a good job with benefits working for an established car parts manufacturer in Detroit. He thought he was living the good life. And then the recession hit, and it hit him like a hurricane. Co-workers, friends, and neighbors were being laid off all around him. Would he be next? If he lost his job, how would he provide for his family? And panic seized him. He couldn't sleep at night. It was a tough time for Brad, but he was lucky. He kept his job through it all. Still, it left a bad taste in his mouth about the, quote, security of a job. The certainty he'd had about his financial future was shaken to the core, and he and his wife started thinking about a plan B. And Brad and his wife came up with a plan to buy one rental house per year for the next 10 years, which in would replace their income. They decided to direct the majority of their savings in 401k to buy these rentals. In the aftermath of the recession, the rentals in Detroit were cheap, but still had good cash flow. Over the next 5 years, they managed to buy 5 of these rental houses. Around this time, things got busy for Brad at work, and he was routinely working more than 50 hours a week, and sometimes on call after hours and during weekends. He started to miss his family. Now, everyone had thought his work schedule was a temporary phase, but one night he put his 4-year-old daughter to bed, and she asked him if he had to work the next day. And as he answered yes, he could see her face drop in disappointment. That was Brad's breaking point. He needed to accelerate his 10-year retirement plan, and he needed to do it fast, or he was going to miss his daughter growing up. So Brad shifted his real estate investing strategy. In the next 2 years, Brad covered his living expenses using this particular strategy and was able to quit his job. And since leaving his job, Brad's been sleeping better, eating better, and he started exercising. He's able to spend time with his family, and they frequently go on vacation together. His relationship with his wife has improved in many ways, and he's getting to know his daughter. Not having to work all day has opened him up to think more intentionally about his life. These days, Brad knows he really is living the good life. All right, let me ask you a question. Is it possible to become financially free with real estate? Maybe not in the way that you think. I mean, is Brad's story just a fluke, a one-off? Did he just get lucky? Or is there an actual strategy at work in Brad's approach that can work for you as well? I can tell you this, based on my years of experience, I'm convinced of one thing. It is possible to become financially free with real estate. The entrepreneurs who achieve financial freedom are like you and I. They want to provide for their families on the one hand, but they also want to control their time. They feel intuitively that there is greatness inside them, but they understand that in order to discover the greatness, they need to address the reality of life, and that's to learn a living, to be able to pay the bills. But they're frustrated by their inability to provide for the families and control their time all at the same time. Now, unlike most real estate investors who attend the local RIA meetings or meetups each month, these entrepreneurs who have discovered a particular kind of real estate strategy I'm talking about here has allowed them to quit their jobs in 1 to 3 years. And this strategy has worked for thousands before them, and it's going to work for another 1,000 after them. And so that is why I'm so confident it's going to work for you as well. And what's most interesting about this, they're able to do this without any previous experience and without any of their own cash to pull it all off. And today, these men and women have the option to do whatever they want. They control their time. They spend more time with their family, and some travel. Others continue to expand their business to build a legacy. Because their brains are no longer consumed by working all day, all week, these entrepreneurs are able to ponder what else life has to offer. And so for the first time, they're able to think about a life of purpose and significance. So financial freedom, it's such a powerful thing that will change your life and your family forever. I'm going to introduce you to some of those entrepreneurs, and I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step blueprint that they followed to become financially free. So hit that subscribe button right now to get started. Now you might be wondering, is this video course for me. Now, if you're interested in achieving financial freedom and you got real estate on the brain, then this course is for you. You might be looking for a way to get out of your 9-to-5 job, and it's okay because it pays the bills. You don't have to love it. It gets the job done, but it doesn't necessarily fulfill you. Or maybe you just plain hate it. That's fine too. Either way, you're looking for a way out, some kind of transition plan. And maybe you're running a small business, but the hours are killing you, and you're dealing with employees, and it's overwhelming. Or maybe you're already investing in single-family houses, but maybe you're burning out, or you can't see a way to scale the business without losing your sanity like I did. Or you might be looking for a way to pay for your kids' education, or maybe secure your upcoming retirement. Whatever it is, you're looking for passive income. So you don't have to work unless you want to, so that you can do what you want, where you want to do it, with whom you want to do it. Whatever your particular situation, what you're looking for is financial freedom. You want to control your time, and you want to provide for your family as well. And right now you're thinking that real estate is the way to get there. Now, you would be both right and wrong about that particular plan. You're right because real estate can, in fact, lead you to financial freedom. But you could be wrong because you're pursuing the wrong strategy, a strategy that is not passive, or won't scale, or it won't actually help you achieve your financial goals. Now, you might not agree with me right now, okay? Even if you do, you might not think you can do it, and that's totally fine. My job in this video series is to guide you in a way that will convince you so that you in fact can believe. And so my guarantee is by the time you're done going through this course, you will know the exact strategy that will allow you to achieve financial freedom in the next 1 to 3 years. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell right now so you don't miss the next video where I explain the best way to achieve financial freedom in the next 1 to 3 years. Let me know your thoughts, questions, and comments below, and I'm going to see you in the next video.